Secrets of Lord Shani by Guru Gaurav Arya, astrologer researcher. Copyright 2020 by Guru Gaurav Arya. All rights reserved by the author. Although every precaution has been taken to verify the information's accuracy, the author and publisher assume no responsibility for errors or omissions. No liability is accepted for damages that may result from using the information contained within. About the book. Lord Shani Dev has been known for his unequaled significance in Hindu mythology and astrology. Lord Shani Dev is called the god of justice, and for those who need justice, it is very fruitful to go under the protection of Shani Dev. Through this book, I would like to share my knowledge and research done so far about the secrets of Shani Dev, which we all need to know. And by understanding those secrets, we can appreciate Shani Dev better. Through this book, I have tried to light the unspoken mysteries, facts like why the Lord is called Shani, about Shani Dev's color, why is the Lord considered the god of justice. Generally, every one of us has come across Lord Shani Dev somewhere. Many people have a lot of misconceptions about Lord Shani. Moreover, astrologers known for making lives simpler are themselves spreading fear towards Lord Shani among people in the names of Sadhe Sati, bad position of Shani Dev in birth chart, etc. Mainly people consider Lord Shani Dev as the god of punishment. I have concluded that Lord Shani Dev is the god of justice and the punisher and destroyer of injustice. We should keep in mind that whenever Shani Dev punishes someone, he does so only to complete the account of his deeds. I will reveal the unique kinds of secrets through this book so that the seekers and all humans understand their deeds and be ready for the fruit that comes from them and any fallacy. On average, every person worships Shani Dev and gets his blessings in today's world. However, it is to be noted that whenever someone worships any Shakti or Devi or deity or has reverence towards them, then at the same time, that person should have complete knowledge about the same power. As we all have come across this statement that little knowledge is dangerous, therefore it is essential to have complete information or at least some basic information so that you can get maximum results. The secrets of Shani Dev described in this book are somehow related to his personality and karma. The seeker and a layperson can easily understand and worship accordingly. Also, when a seeker understands and knows about their secrets, he will become closer to
Secrets of Lord Shani by Guru Gaurav Arya, astrologer researcher. Copyright 2.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?